welcome to Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Before I start today's tutorial, I just want to thank all my subscribers to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of new subscribers in the last couple of weeks to my channel, and I'm very excited and look forward to meeting all of you in the comment section below. So please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section down below. So today's recipe is about how to make a very delicious carrot cake. And of course, this carrot cake is from scratch. And along with the carrot cake, I'm going to make that easy, simple icing. And please stick around, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious carrot cake from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. I will come back. Here's our beautiful carrot cake. It looks really fabulous, very delicious looking. I already cut a couple pieces. I'm not gonna have a couple, but I'm gonna have one piece and right now a bite and taste it for you guys. It's still a little warm. Very, very delicious. It's very moist. It has crunchiness to it because of the walnuts and the almond chips. The icing is very delicious. The combination of butter and, of course, the cream cheese. I really like this. This is, and also I smell the and taste the cinnamon. I love cinnamon, and if you don't like cinnamon, you can skip that. So please try this recipe and let me know about your comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. That is all for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you. Love you all. Goodbye.